Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you an explanation on this week's assignments in case anyone was confused by the instructions. So for this week I wanted to do things a little different and see how it works. So if you log into our Schoology class, English period 1, you'll see the Zoom links will be published. We're going to start with a discussion board, and then just like last week it's going to say week 2 assignments. If you click on that, you'll see a short story packet, and we're going to focus on characterization and irony this week. If you click on the packet, you'll see that it's all of our assignments for the week. So it's actually about 20-something pages. It's 23 pages, but the whole packet is not due until Sunday night by midnight. So for the whole week, we're going to be using the same packet. It has our notes, it has the short stories, it has where you'll annotate and all of your activities. And we'll be going through it day by day, and you can reference our calendar that will be posted as well to make sure you know what we're doing. So if we just scroll through, you'll see that Cornell Notes, we're going to do that together. We're going to read our short stories and then do some of these activities. But what I want to bring your attention to is that you will not be turning this in until Sunday night. So let me go back to the assignment on Schoology. You'll see here, you will be working on this packet all week. You will not be submitting your packet until you are 100% completed. Only one submission. Oh, that says Friday, but it will say Sunday. So you're not going to submit it because then you won't be able to continue working on it. Instead, what's going to happen is I'm going to do progress checks. So once you guys open this, I'll be able to go through and click on your name and see the progress you're making right over here. So you don't need to submit it, I can see what you're doing. And that's how I'll check that you're submitting things or finishing them by the due date before you submit them, because you're only going to submit one time by Sunday night when you're 100% completed. So think of this like an ongoing assignment, and you'll only submit it that one time when it's completely finished. So again, it's right here, the short story packet week 1. It does line up with our calendar if you check that out. So you'll see in yellow what's due each day or what you're supposed to be doing on our non-Zoom days so that you can actively be getting through the packet in order to have it completed by Sunday night.